Need to edit a PDF for free in 2025? Here's the easiest way to do it. Open your browser and search for PDF Editor. Click on the third website in the results. Once the site opens, click on Upload PDF Files. Select the PDF file you want to edit. Now, let's start editing. You can directly change any text in the PDF. To create a new page, click on Insert Page here. Want to add a photo? Click on the gallery icon, then select New Image, and choose a photo from your device. To add a shape, use the Shape tool. Need a signature? Click on the Signature tool, then select New Signature. You can type or draw your signature. And click Apply Changes. When you're done editing, click on Download, wait for the process to complete, and click Download again. Once downloaded, you can open and view your edited PDF. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching.